Alright, folks, today we're diving into the Selectum Colors Bodrum, a luxury resort nestled in the stunning Bodrum Peninsula of Turkey. If you're dreaming of a getaway that combines opulence, relaxation, and a touch of Turkish charm, this place might just be on your radar. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the location is a major win. Bodrum is known for its crystal-clear waters, picturesque beaches, and vibrant nightlife. Selectum Colors Bodrum takes full advantage of this, offering direct access to a private beach that's pristine and well-maintained. The views from the resort are breathtaking, especially at sunset when the sky turns into a canvas of oranges and pinks. If you're a sucker for Instagram-worthy moments, this is your spot. Now, let's talk about the accommodations. The rooms are spacious, modern, and designed with a sleek, contemporary aesthetic. Many of them come with private balconies or terraces, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or evening drinks with a view. The beds are comfortable, and the bathrooms are equipped with high-end amenities, which is always a plus. However, some guests have mentioned that the rooms, while luxurious, can feel a bit generic, like they lack a distinct personality. If you're someone who values unique design, this might be a minor letdown. When it comes to dining, Selectum Colors Bodrum does not disappoint. The resort offers multiple restaurants serving a variety of cuisines, from traditional Turkish dishes to international fare. The buffet is extensive, with plenty of options to cater to different tastes and dietary needs. Guests have particularly raved about the freshness of the ingredients and the quality of the seafood. However, a few reviews have pointed out that while the food is good, it doesn't always reach the level of exceptional you might expect from a five-star resort. Still, there's enough variety to keep you satisfied throughout your stay. One of the standout features of this resort is its amenities. There are multiple pools, including a large main pool and quieter options for those seeking tranquility. The spa is a highlight, offering a range of treatments that are perfect for unwinding after a day of exploring Bodrum. The fitness center is well equipped, and there are plenty of activities for kids, making it a great option for families.